What's up, everybody? This is Adam with Reese Customs. Today I'm coming to you from the kitchen right now because I'm about to leave. It's about 5:30 in the morning. It's on a Wednesday. I am not dressed for work today. I am dressed in the shop clothes. So, why is that? Well, as you know, if you're watching this around April 2021, you'll know that wood prices, plywood prices, particularly, have gone through the roof. So, a lot of the signs and stuff I make is 1/4 inch plywood, like birch plywood. And right now at Home Depot, in my area, it is about $30 a sheet. So it's pretty expensive. Well, I was on an auction site yesterday for a place a couple hours away, and they had a pallet of birch, 1/4 inch birch plywood. I bid on it and I won it. And it was 40 sheets. I got it for about $12 a sheet. So, killer deal on some plywood. It's going to last me a long time. I also bought a little pallet of, looked like maple or something. It was nice looking wood boards. I couldn't tell. I bought it for like $60. And I'll show that too when we get there. But we got about 2.5 hours drive. So, going to pick it up now and come along. Let's go get it. See ya.
There's a ton of stuff here. So there's our stack right here. It looks like oak or something. And this is the plywood. It said 40 sheets, but there's probably 60 sheets there, so that's cool. So hopefully it all will fit in the truck. We're gonna have a big load, that's for sure. Holy moly. Whew. All right, guys, just got the wood unloaded, and there it is, all sitting behind me. Let me show you what we got. Okay, don't look at all my other mess. I'm gonna try to hide all the mess in the shop. But we have 37 boards. It looks like oak, but they're very, very light, so I'm not exactly sure what they are. But it's 37 boards, 10 foot long, average about 6 inches wide. Those are four quarter boards. So it's about, I don't know, 180 something board feet. I got that for 35 cents a board foot because I paid like 60 bucks for the whole stack. And then the 1/4 inch plywood on the auction this morning, I said 40 sheets because that's what the auction had listed, but it's actually 60 sheets of 1/4 inch birch plywood, and those came out to about $7 a sheet. So we did pretty good at the auction. So if you thought that was cool, following along with the auction, you want to see more stuff like that, let me know. Stay tuned. If you will, hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. Like it. I'm getting ready to post some videos in the near future of a lot of this stuff. Well, not a lot of it. I've got enough wood to last a long time, but I want to post some videos of making some stuff with some of this wood, some signs. We got a door hanger project coming up soon. We're going to record that. So like I said, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.